Hey there, welcome to another video of the installation of ManyChat apps. I'm going to show you how you can install the advanced GDPR ManyChat Action. It's integrated with the Flowbuilder just as with all the other apps. What you see here on my screen is a sample of the ManyChat Appstore. What you can do is click the Install App button, which will take you to the next screen, which is this one. And all you have to do there is install at the bottom of your screen. And when you clicked that button, you will get a list of all your pages, the pages that you manage. And you just have to select the page, and once you have finished that action, you will get to this installation page. I will remove this masking part. Yep. So then you will see this screen. You just enter your ManyChat API right here. You can copy it from your settings. You can see those right here beneath the blue ones. You can see API right here at my mouse pointer, and when you click that, you get your API key. And in the next field, you can enter your license key if you have one, or if you just want to try it out, you can enter this GDPR 50 code, which will give you 50 free tries each month. Then you click Save, and if you have installed the demo flow or demo template, which you can find in the description in the App Store, it will take you to a flow similar to this one. This is the entire flow that is included. It has some demo information or some basic information about what the GDPR actually is, and people can read up on it if they are interested in that, or they can just check their own data. What you want to do is go to this action window, which is similar to creating one yourself, by clicking the button on the right. Click this action logic, which will bring you to this window. And when you click to add an action, you get this screen. You click action over there, and when you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see there are some actions or apps that you have already installed. You just click the advanced GDPR web view, which will open up a new screen. After you clicked select action, just verify this one, and this will show you all the settings that you can enter. Just fill in the information that you want. I will show you what we have already entered in the one that is right here. This is the information that we entered. We entered another page title. If you don't do this, it will just use your page title. And the new feature here at ManyChat is that you can actually include a custom user field, for example, the name of your user. So just fill in these tags, you can, or this information I mean, and you can select if you want to use tags as well. It will make more sense in a second when I show you a demo of what this actually will do. And you just change the information if you want to, like the default button, which will be submit. If you want to have other text down there, just enter your own preferences. Right here at the bottom, there are two things that might be of interest to you. This is the flow that your user will go to once he or she has changed the personal information in the web view. You can leave it as is, so it will just select the current flow, or maybe you want to send the user somewhere else and you just enter the information right here. If you click on it, you will get a pull down menu with all your flows. Then this next field is the custom user field that will be used as the URL of the web view. I will show you that in a second. You just enter your own custom user field right here. You click save, and then in the next step you will see that this is a go to website button, which will have the value of the custom user field, as you can see here, the web view URL. And if you decide to go for a spin, I will show you what it will look like right now. So here we are at the screen. After clicking preview right there on top of this screen, which will open up this chat, and as you can see, it looks exactly like this screen right here. And we can select show my data in the chat. There it goes. So it moves on to the next step. And now we can select view private data or data, whatever you want to call it. And it will open up this screen right here. As you can see, the title of this page is GDPR settings for Paul, which is what we filled in our action menu. I will show you that again right now. This corresponds to this field right here. And now I can just go through all my custom user fields, and if I want to remove one or all, I can just, as an end user of course, click this one or select all, and it will remove all my fields. And I was referring to the tags that you will see here at the bottom. I selected yes in this menu right here, so it will also give me the option to remove my own tags. If you press or select no right here, this section will not be visible. And if you click submit, it will take me back to this same screen again. The one, of course, in this chat, because I selected the same. Did I select submit? Yes, there we go. And we're back in this chat. And like I said, you can select your own flow or somewhere else you want to go, and it will send you or the user right there. So that's the way this one works. It's very simple, extremely helpful, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.